Okay, this video is to answer the question about referrals and referral tracking in the system. In the patient's chart, you can go to transactions. Now, this seems erroneously named transactions, but we'll save that for another video. Click on transactions, and under transactions, you'll see a place to start a new transaction. If you click on create new transaction, the first transaction that you can create is a referral. You can click on the drop-down menu to see the other types of referral forms that are in the system. And yes, you can generate your own custom transaction forms. Transaction forms are different than encounter forms in that transaction forms are one time only, and they stay with the patient's chart, whereas encounter forms are filled out with every visit. So if you need to track or enter an encounter or a referral, then you would enter a referral here, the type and what you need. You can also print this referral out once it's filled out and in the patient's chart. So when filling out the referral form, under external reference or referral, if you select no and refer to, it's going to give you internal or the people in your facility referral. But if you select yes, then it's going to select from the address book referrals. Those will be your external entries that you put in the address book. We'll cover the address book in a different video. Once you've filled out and saved the referral form, it can be printed. You can also print blank referral forms as well. Now, at this point, you can choose whether to send it to a printer or save it to PDF so that you may email it to wherever it needs to go. This concludes our video on referral forms and how to operate them within the system. Now, if you want to run a report on referrals, you would go here to clinic and then go to referrals. Within this referral report, you would select the date range. By default, it gives a 6-month date range for referrals and all facilities. If I select, I'll see all the referrals that have been created in the system. Thanks for watching.